Hello and welcome. It's Jilly Cube and I'm here on the Sunshine Coast in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with another little fly by the seat of my pants pour today. I'm going to go over a pre-used canvas that's been washed off probably once or twice now because I wasn't happy with the results on it. So let me try and do something that I may feel a little bit better about. As I say to others, you're always your own worst critic, but sometimes you just have to make yourself happy about something, even though you believe that other people may love it. So I'm just pushing on with this. I'm going to try again, and again. I will keep going. So I'm going to kind of do a split in the canvas, should I say. I'm going to split the two colours up with paint, obviously, and I'm going to kind of, well, I'll just show you as I go along. So I'm going to have this all a white, so remember there's no rules with this. You can do whatever your heart desires. You can yeah, just go with the flow, pour your heart out, do whatever your heart desires. It's no set rules. What's that? Okay, so I'm just going to spread it out with this lovely little offset spatula, which I love using. You just get them from a hardware or cake decorating section in your... They're obviously used to ice cakes, not that I've iced many cakes in my time. Okay, so I'm going to do that colour, and I'm going to put some navy just in this bit here, in this little oblongy bit, so just navy, just for something different. Go. So this navy I custom made with a phthalo blue, a good blob of black, and a good blob of very dark green you put in. Let's stop it going sort of a muted, horrible colour, but it makes a lovely navy colour. There you go. So I hope you guys have been having a good week. I hope that you're feeling okay and kept yourself motivated and kind of busy. It's hard at times, isn't it? If things can block you and stop you feeling motivated. That's what I've kind of had myself this week. Hard to get going week. But I'm going to give it a go today. So let's see what I get. So this is just cool red. My husband just arrived, talked to me. It is late in the afternoon and it is our evening that we do go out for tea. I've pre-mixed this fluoro orange in the can with what was left over, so probably shouldn't be doing it this way because I end up pouring way too much, but you know, just gonna do it. Okay, right here. I don't think I need any more of that, but I like the fluoro. It seems to really dry just as bright and vibrant, so really enjoying that. I'm going to put some yellow in. Probably by the amount of paint I'm putting in, this will be a full blowout. But we will see what I get. Rightio. Do I put a blue in there or do I stay away? If I put the blue on the outside, it might mix. I'll just put a little bit on the outside. with some white in between it, maybe. Let's see how I go. I've got the idea in my head, but whether it will come out how I plan it is a whole different ball game. But I will just go over with my heat wand, my little heat wand, get rid of any air bubbles. Oh, it's already selling up. Alrighty, might need a little bit more paint on the outside to blow it. Yes, I'm going to use my hairdryer to blow it. Hopefully I don't get it absolutely everywhere. But that's what you have an art space for, isn't it? To get down and get dirty in it. Rightio, okie doke, let's try this. I'll get my hairdryer. Okie doke. Now, let me think. I think I need to go out there a little bit. Out there. Oh my gosh, now it's scared me. Okay, let's give it a go. I'll try it on low. I'll try it here to try and do it slowly, if there's such a thing with... Oh my goodness, look at that. Wow. Oh, that's exciting. Oh my goodness. Think. Wow. Probably put way too much paint, look at it. But it's gorgeous. Oh my goodness, it's gorgeous. I do not like this. I know why this is happening, because this is the only colour, the red, that I had for a previous pour, that I put 1 drop of the Helmar silicone in the red. That's the only paint I put silicone in. And look at all those big silicone cells, which I don't like. But that is gorgeous. I'm just thinking now, because I'd like to, yeah, just don't like those big silicone cells. Be nice to actually get this canvas to somewhere that I like and not have to scrape it off again. I've not had much luck with this particular one. But that's gorgeous. I just need to blow some areas, I think, with my maybe I'll do it with a straw to see if I can get a little bit more control over it. Oh, I don't know about that. I just absolutely love the colours. Are stunning. Stunning. I mean, I don't mind that at all. Just with a little bit of softening, but I want to keep those cells there. They're gorgeous. I think I'm going to leave that. I'm so disappointed with these big silicone cell blobs, but you know, I'll see how we go. That's really colourful. It is really bright and uplifting. There is that one thing, I just am not happy with these big silicone blob cells, even though it was mixed in well in the paint. Just that sometimes that's what you get with the silicone, so not happy with those, but I'll let them dry off. I mean, I might even come back and just balloon kiss in those blob areas of the actual silicone, if I just put some balloon kisses in where the silicone is, just similar to this. So probably when it's dried off a little bit more, where the silicone is just this is just a little water, just a balloon that's got a little bit of water in it. So if I just touch where the silicone blobs are, it adds, oh yeah, it does. Adds a really nicer look than silicone. Look like it leaves like the petal shapes are better than a eyeball, I think. An eyeball looking thing in there. That looks creepy. Creepy. Oh yeah, that does look better, but that will definitely be better if you let your paint dry off a bit. Jilly, so move away from the canvas. No, she just can't stop. Look at her. See, I need somebody to slap my hands. I need a hand slapper in my room with me. Oh dear. Oh no, it's gone. I'm so excited now. Look at it. It's just coming up beautiful. Oh. Yep, even the gecko agrees. Did you hear him? He definitely agreed. Oh, such a sweet thing. All right. There is way too much paint. I seem to have the problem of putting way too much paint than the canvas needs. I don't know what my thinking is when I do it. It's obviously I just don't think. So giving you the, the reminder to be mindful that you don't need so much paint is what I'm using all over the place. So anyway, I am going to come back when that's dried off a bit, and I am going to just put a balloon kiss in a few more of those particular oily spots and then go from there. But it's actually beautiful. I love it. It's really bright. It's uplifting. Somebody will love it, and I hope you do too. So wait on for the finished photographs, and of course there'll be another video for you to watch tomorrow. There's one pretty much every day. So thank you so much for joining me. Keep safe, people. Keep sane. Create. And bye for until tomorrow. Bye for now.
Bye.